Okay, this is a tutorial on G67 11.9A1, creating histograms. We got some data here, and I'm going to kind of get you going on the making the histogram. For the first two problems here, there's a series of these. So we can kind of ignore these directions because it's talking about all three of them, and I broke it into, three separate activities. So here's the number of chocolate candies per bag of trail mix. And we're just looking at the intervals here. So let's see, they've given us the intervals, they've given us those buckets of where to put the scores. So do we have any that are in that 1 to 20 range? No, we don't. Do we have any that are in that 21 to 40 range? Here's a 32. Here's a 31. Here's a 39. Here's a 33. Okay, so we had 4 of them in there. We got a total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there's a total of 22 scores. How about the 41 to 60 range? 41 to 60 range. Do this in different colors. There's one. There's another one. There's another one. There's another one. There's another one. There's one. Okay, so we had 6 in there, so we've got a total of 10, and then 61 to 80. Try something else. If I got another one here, 61 to 80. 68 would fall in there. 67, 61, 75. Okay, and then now we've got 7 more scores there, so we've got 17. So if our math is right here and we haven't missed anything, we should have 5 scores left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But we've got some that are over that. They don't have enough bins here. So we'll make another bin, 101 through 117. Through, wait, we're going to do it 101 through 120. So let's just, we have to divide this up. So this score here, we go in this category. This score here would go in this category. But these last 3 scores would have to go in this other category. So they didn't really set this up right, or they were trying to trick us. I'm going to go with they didn't set it up right. So we'd have to add one more category on out here. That would be 101 through, so you can see what I'm doing here, 101 through 120. And then you would just simply go through and plot where those are. One thing I'd like to point out is that they have 0 and 1 at the same point here, so I would put a 1 in. I'd just put a little mark here, and then put this little doohickey thing like this. It looks kind of like this, or a little doohickey, I call it, just to make, it's a technical term, to make sure that there was no scores of 0. So there was nothing in that 120, but in this 21 through 40 range, we would have, they kind of gave us some blocks here to use if you look carefully. So we had 1, 2, 3, and 4 scores. So color that in. And you can do the rest for the others. It's different than a bar graph, because this is showing the frequency over here. Frequency of the scores. And these are the buckets or the ranges, or the range of those scores. Okay, good luck.